everyone, it's Ben from Hip Visual Solutions, and today we're going to explore how to use the weight anchor system for your flagpoles from Director Showcase International. So, the anchor weight system comes as shown. You get 4 carriage bolts and the 2 weight anchors. This is a 4-inch, a 3-inch, a 2-inch, and a 1.5-inch. So, choose whichever weight system makes you feel most comfortable. I'm a big fan of the 4 in the top and the 3 in the bottom, but I know that's not what works for everybody. Okay, so you take your empty flagpole that's been cleaned out, and you take your weight anchor, and you're gonna put it right in the top. It's got a little rubber stopper on it, so it kind of is a little difficult to push in, but you just push it all the way in and make sure that it's flush with the top, like so. See there? And then you take your weight. I'm going to start with this, and I'm going to you just screw it in. Then I'm actually going to push it a little further down inside now that I have the weight in there, just so that I can get my stopper on flush to the top. I'm going to flip my flagpole over and do the other side. Again, pushing that weight anchor in. And then taking the next weight and screwing it in. I'm going to push that all the way in as well. Go ahead and push that flat. I'm going to press it on the ground a little bit more just to get nice and flat. All right, and then you're ready to put your stoppers in. Notice no matter how hard I shake my flagpole or how hard I hit, I'm not getting that annoying clanking sound that you get from having your weights loose in the stoppers to your flagpole. All right, I think it's a great product from Director's Showcase. I really want to give them a shout out for supplying this product for us today to demonstrate for you guys. Check it out. It's on their website, or if you'd like to order some of these for your program, feel free to hit us up at Hip Visual Solutions, www.hipvisualsolutions.com, or find us on Instagram or Twitter at Hip Visual, Facebook, Hip Visual Solutions. Thanks for joining us today on Technique Tuesday, and a special thank you to Director Showcase International for providing the weight anchor system for flagpoles today. We look forward to seeing you next week.